So tell me, what really moves a market? Is it support and resistance, trend lines, Bollinger Bands,
Fibonacci boxes, RSI indicators, fair value gaps, Elliott waves, chart patterns, Japanese candlestick, MACD, brain box,
or even some mysterious matrix? Or is it the news? Let's be brutally honest. You can draw every line imaginable on a chart, but the second the US president speaks or a central bank trims rates, your perfect trend line is instantly worthless. Every regulated broker prints it in black and white. 80% of traders lose money. Why? Because almost every guru out there, yes, even you, watching this, relies purely on technical analysis and ignores fundamentals, cross-asset context, and sentiment. The market doesn't explode because a triangle breaks or an RSI tagging 70. It explodes when something tangible happens. Trump tweets about tariffs and the Nasdaq cracks. The ECB nudges rates and the euro goes berserk. A war starts and gold rockets higher. How many times have you seen a huge one-way candle and thought, it bounced off support? Number it moved because something broke and you didn't know. Maybe a missile strike, maybe a surprise Fed statement. Without real-time news, you're flying blind. Okay, Michelle, so where do we read the news? Investing.com, Forex Factory, Google. Sure, but they're late and incomplete. If you spot a headline on SkyTG24, trust me, Reuters ran it 10 minutes before. I've used the Reuters terminal for 6 years. Pros, hedge funds, prop desks all swear by it. It costs about $6,000 a month but delivers live headlines, macro data, economic calendar extremes, capital flow maps, basically a war machine. Problem? It's a Ferrari every month, so retail traders were locked out. Until now. For the last 2 months, I've road tested a platform that honestly stunned me. Market Edge AI, the first to fuse deep learning AI with a direct Reuters feed. You, without $6,000 a month, finally get true real-time intelligence. Fire it up and it greets you by name. Welcome, Michelle. Then shows your key assets, say the Nasdaq 100, updating tick by tick. But the real magic sits underneath. Nasdaq edges higher on Fed cut bets and easing trade tensions. One line, auto-summarized live, in plain English. No digging, no translating. Next comes the Sentiment Index, a market speedometer built on AI that scans every headline. Today it flashes cautious optimism, score 55 out of 100, then explains why. Selective risk-taking in quality stocks despite geopolitical clouds. One glance and you already know the market's mood. Then Fundamental Drivers breaks down what's moving prices and by how much. Big tech earnings 30%, ECB policy 25%, oil output chatter 25%, ISM missed 20%. It's like 10 macro analysts whispering in your ear. Scroll and you hit live headlines. Filter by asset, topic, date, everything streaming in real time. Click any headline and an AI summary pops up, translation ready in a click. Below that, Capital Flows shows where money's flooding in and out. Inflows to emerging markets and tech. Outflows from financials and energy. If you trade intraday, knowing where big money is moving and why is a monster edge. Most underrated weapon? The economic calendar. Markets don't react to consensus, they react when data blows through the analyst range. Market Edge lists those high-low extremes, plus an AI forecast built on history. If non-farm payrolls print 150K, but the floor was 180K, you see instantly it's a negative shock. Each event carries an AI text explaining potential impact on FX, indices, rates, and commodities. Filter by day, impact level, whatever you need, no more guessing. There's also the Trump tracker. Yes, really, every tweet, speech, or courtroom appearance logged live with a probability score of market impact. That kind of edge used to be hedge fund only. Then comes Market View, one screen to rule them all. Real-time sentiment for every asset, imminent macro events, a 0 to 100 optimism gauge, top fundamental drivers, unusual breakouts, curated must-read headlines, capital flows by sector and country. Read it in 20 seconds and you've got a full bias, as if a team of analysts briefed you before the bell. Latest update? The FX dashboard, AI bias on every currency pair, intraday strength maps, central bank insights, gold and commodity moves, inflation trends, expected volatility. even retail versus institutional positioning, and everything is customizable. Pick your markets, your watch list, your style. The platform adapts and mails you a personalized report every morning. It's basically a smart, streamlined Reuters terminal at roughly 1/100th the cost. So the question, will you keep drawing lines and praying your moving average holds, or will you trade with intelligence, seeing news first and knowing why prices move? I use Market Edge AI daily. It's the first platform built for traders who want logic, vision, and data, not hope. Comment market below and I'll send you a 10% discount link, or grab it in the description. Stop donating money to the market just because you didn't know what was happening. Open your eyes, get smart, and start using the right tools. See you in the next video. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Bye.